Downtown in the Mashasik River, there were two young ducks. They're this year's young, but they're almost full grown. And they were swimming, and you could see them swimming under the water. So it was kind of cool. I got some pictures. A rabbit by Ridgeside Lake. A green heron. The coyote and I surprised each other, so it got up and trotted off, and it came pretty close, probably about 15 feet away as it struck by. Swan Point had a little woodchuck. And 3 turkeys hanging out.